Pausing an app's activity when not in use on a Galaxy S24 helps manage app permissions, delete temporary files, and stop notifications for apps that are not actively used, optimizing performance and battery life. Here's how it's done. First, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top to open the notification panel, then tap on the settings gear icon. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. In this menu, find and select the app you want to adjust. Once you're in the app settings, tap on Permissions. Scroll down to the section labeled Unused App Settings to find the Pause App Activity If Unused option. Toggle the switch to either enable or disable this feature. Enabling this setting will remove permissions, delete temporary files, and stop notifications for unused apps. And that's it. You can now press the Home button to return to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.